You all to today's video. In this video we will be checking out this mobile setup and how we can use it to trade boom and crash and even other assets like volatility and of course step index and even currency pairs and other elements. Okay, so this is very important, and this is more important for those that don't even have the trading tools that we are using on the PC, okay, which is the custom made indicator. Okay, so if you have been seeing our back-to-back winning strategy, then definitely you should know that that is coming from the smart indicator and the 3M indicator. Okay, so most especially at the moment we are using the smart indicator. Okay, so for those of you that are having, congratulations to you guys. For those that are not having, you can also use this setup to make some good money for yourself while you are able or trying to get any of these custom made indicators. So this is very important, and you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out this setup and see how we can use it to make some good amount of money for ourselves. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or the strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal, you should do your own personal practice on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. If you want to be making consistent profit on a daily basis, at least you want to make at least $50 per day, then you need to learn this strategy. This strategy is very important. You can use it on 5-minute time frame, you can use it on 15-minute time frame. Okay, you can use it on any of the time frame, you can even use it on 1 minute time frame. It works very well. Okay, so this is very important, most especially if you are not having the big capital. So I'm just going to show you the setup right away. So I will advise you to take screenshot of the setup and do exactly the same. Okay, so this is the first setup and it is on the main chart, and of course you can see it right there. And of course I'm going to show you the second one. This is the second one and it is on the main chart also. And let me show you the third one. This is the third one and it is in the window indicator. And of course then this is the last one. Okay, still in the window indicator. All these setup are very important, and they can turn out to be something big for you. Okay, so quickly let's see. We are going to combine both the setup on the main chart and on the window indicator together. Okay, so let me change this to white so that we always see it very well. Okay, so just like it has been in on this particular chart, okay, you can see this actually got to, sorry, this actually got to the resistance zone around here. Okay, it was unable to go above that, so we're just waiting for the confirmation of a downtrend. Okay, and you can see it around here. It cut across and across the other the SMA around there, and of course you can see it right here. So once they crossed each other downwards, it shows that the markets will be selling. But how do we confirm this? Okay, if you should notice on the window indicator, the same thing also happened on the window indicator, and above all it happens at this stage where it is above 70. So which means the market has been overbought already, so we should expect a sell movement from there. And of course you can see it sold for a very long time, and that was exactly what happened around here. So you can see there is the sell. So what you just need to do is just to come in around here and place your sell order and put your stop loss at the top right here. Okay, your stop loss will be here and your sell order will be here. Your sell order will be here, and it keeps on selling, and you can add more orders at every pullback, okay, in order for you to make more profit. And as this is approaching 30, then you can decide to close some of your order, or you lock up your profit. At least you should lock up about 80% of your profit at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important, and it makes it very easy for you to milk the market successfully without any issue. Okay, anyone can actually do this. So I want you to go back to your chart and try out this strategy and see how it works. And for those of you who are willing to make more than $50 on daily basis, you want huge profits, you want the huge profits you have been seeing on my channel or on the Telegram platform, then definitely you need to get a smart indicator. You can contact me on WhatsApp and we will arrange one for you. It is very easy to do. Okay, and of course I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.